What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Chevy remote key fob. This key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing we're going to be using is a flathead screwdriver. So if we take our fob and we flip it over so the buttons are facing down, and then we take a look at the bottom near this key ring, you notice on this back cover there's this little slot right here. So that's what we're going to use to pry up on. We just want to be careful because as these remotes get a little bit older and the plastic gets brittle, sometimes the corners of this back cover will break off. So what we're going to do to try to prevent that is put our screwdriver in, and we're going to go as far as we can over to the one side and pry up on that side, and then come over here and get as far over as you can and pry up. And then once you have it popped up like that, you can go ahead and pull the cover the rest of the way off. And now we see our battery right here. And you can use your screwdriver just to get under the edge of this just a little bit to help get it out of there. Now we'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. And you kind of want to tuck this corner in first. You can see that plastic piece right there. Tuck that corner in first, and then snap it the rest of the way in. Now we'll grab the back cover, and we want to hook the top on first like this. So hook the top on, and then go ahead and just snap it on. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.